Hey, what's up everybody, this is Rudraditya and in this video we are going to talk about iPhone SE 2020. And whenever we see a new phone, we see the specifications and then we see the price and then we try to assume that how much it offers us at what price. Like iPhone SE 2020 offers us a lot of things at just $400, and this is the reason this phone is hyped too much. But I will talk in two different scenarios, because in India we will get this phone at $560. Yes, at $560. Like, we are not getting this phone at $400. So for other countries where we will get this phone, where you will get this phone at $400, for you guys this is different and for us this is different, because we are getting for $560, like $160 more. And if you convert that in Indian rupees, it is like 42,500 rupees, and that too for a 64GB variant. And definitely in 2020 you will not get 64GB storage, you will definitely buy a higher storage variant, so you have to pay even more. So I will talk about other countries where you will get this phone at $400 later in this video. First, let's talk about Indian market. So like, I want to ask from Apple, for whom you made this phone, and we can't blame company only for that increment in price, but that's the different thing. Let's talk about, this is what it is. We are getting this phone at 42,500 rupees, aka $560. So first let's talk about for whom you made this phone. First, let's assume there are three type of buyers who can buy this phone. First, like, who are using iPhone 6, 7 or 8 from last 2, 3, 4 years, and they are looking to switch to a new iPhone. Then will they switch just for better internals with that same old design? Like, suppose that you are using iPhone 7 from last 2 to 3 years, so will you switch to iPhone SE 2020 because you will not feel anything new except the internals and for slight better camera? So will you switch? Do let me know in the comment box below. And now, second type of buyers who want to buy a new phone and their budget is like between 40 to 45,000 rupees. So for those type of viewers, I would like to tell that there are so many competitions out there. You can take any one of them, and the best example is right now OnePlus 8. You can get OnePlus 8 at same price. And fun fact, globally the price of OnePlus 8 is $700, but in India we are getting at $560, means $140 less than global price. And in the case of iPhone SE 2020, the global price is $400, but we are getting at $560, means $160 more from their original global price. So you are getting both the phones at same price. In other countries, no brainer, iPhone SE 2020 is way better than OnePlus 8, but in India I will recommend you to buy any other phone than iPhone SE 2020, because you know you are getting a better deal at the same price. Yeah, if we get iPhone SE like between 30 to 35,000 rupees, then I will tell you that just go and buy that phone, but this is not the case. And now, third type of viewers who can buy this phone is like a typical iPhone user only, who want to use iPhone only. Then iPhone XR is a better deal. Yeah, because in India you will get iPhone XR at same price in offers. Wait for offers and grab iPhone XR, and for that you have to sacrifice the compactness. If you love the compact size of the phones, you have to sacrifice that, and you have to, because you will get a better phone than iPhone SE 2020. And obviously you will get iPhone XR, maybe even cheaper, in offers. So yeah, iPhone XR is better. So possibly these three type of viewers can buy this phone, but they have another option, or like they have another reason to skip this phone. And if we talk about other market, like where you get this phone at $400, this is no brainer. You have to buy this phone for sure if you are looking to buy an iPhone, because at $400 it offers you a lot of things: A13 Bionic chip, wireless charging, IP67 dust and water resistance, a very good camera. So at $400 it's no brainer. And suppose that Samsung or Pixel launch a phone with a design of S5 or S6, and in which we get a Snapdragon 865, IP67 with reverse wireless charging and a single lens of Pixel 3 or Pixel 2 at 30 to 35,000 in India. Can Samsung or Pixel launch this type of phone? Man, I will just love it. In fact, everyone will love this phone, and this is the same case of iPhone SE 2020 in USA or in other countries where you are getting this at $400. But this is not the case in India, so I will not recommend you to buy this phone. And my title is Yesn't buy the iPhone SE 2020, so that means yes and no as well. So yes for other markets where you get this at $400, and no for us, like for Indians, where you get this phone at $560, or maybe in other regions of Asia like Bangladesh, Nepal. In Nepal, I guess it's even expensive. In Bangladesh it is same around like 40,000 rupees. So for them, like anything more than $550, I think it's not worth to pay for iPhone SE 2020. So guys, that's been it, and if you have any doubt, do ask and do share your thoughts in the comment box below. But first, do your drills, like, share, subscribe, tap the bell icon, and then scroll down and type tick 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 your comment, and we will have fun there in the comment box. And thank you for watching my video. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye, take care.